We are here with Angelika Berger, which is co-president of the meeting. This is the 18th event. 18 is an important number, isn't it?
Is it? 18? I mean, it's a huge number, of course, so I congratulate Professor Fanos to having hosted so many meetings already. And for me, it's a really great pleasure to be part of this year meeting. Actually, we had planned for 2 years for me to take part here, but then there was COVID, and last year we had other issues, so I'm really happy that at the end this year I can be here in presence and be part of this conference. And also, of course, it's a real pleasure for me to be here on this beautiful island.
You've just finished your speech, The Sound of Silence in NICU, Speech and Music Inside an Incubator. Could you summarize for us your speech?
Okay, the short summary is, for many years we have been very focused on reducing noise in our NICUs, because we are all concerned that loud noises, alarms, the noise from the respiratory flow, that this is disturbing for the infant, and there is a lot of data showing that this is really of adverse consequences, such as problems with the developing auditory system, stress, and so on. But while we have worked a lot on reducing noise in our NICUs, we have not taken into account that although these alarms are stress for the baby, there is still the necessity that normal speech, normal language, adult words are important for these babies and also for the developing auditory system. So this is a kind of a conundrum. On the one hand, we want to reduce noise, of course, the disturbing noise, the alarms, the respirator noises, but on the other hand, we really have to take care of getting these babies also the input of normal language and normal voice. And this is actually what we have to introduce in our care protocols, such as stimulating parents to read to their babies when they're doing kangaroo care or in front of the incubator. And I have also presented some data from our research teams, because we focus a lot on these issues.
Thank you very much indeed.
Thank you.